Hello, what's up guys? It's Richard Oki, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question, is Clickbank a scam? Hey guys, Richard Oki again, and I know that one of the biggest questions that people have when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing is Clickbank a scam? I looked at these offers on Clickbank, and this shit just looks pretty dodgy to me. That's what I hear a lot of people saying. And when I first started with Clickbank, I was in the same shoes, and I wish I had a video like this to watch where somebody was walking me through whether Clickbank was a scam or not. Right, but before I get into that, I just want to let you know, if you are interested in taking things to the next level with your affiliate marketing business, make sure you check the link out in the description below. Now let's get into it. So Clickbank is actually not a scam at all. In fact, they're very, very much far from it. So they were founded in 1998, and this is Crunchbase. So Crunchbase is like a business database, and it essentially provides all the data that is freely available on a business. Okay, so, and this is even Clickbank with their old logo back in the day. I don't think they still use that logo. But yeah, it was founded in 1998. They have 100 to 250 employees. They have not yet IPO'd. And this is just the basic information. So this is just a starting point, all right? Now let's get into some of the more juicy things that a lot of people wouldn't have expected or don't know yet. So Clickbank has actually done around, it's done much more than this now. So I think this is in 2011. Clickbank did 2 billion in sales. What was it, 4 billion? No, so yeah, 2 billion in sales by 2011. This is after from their initial launch, founding period to that point. And then they were expected to reach 4 billion by 2014. We're now in 2020. So who knows? I don't actually know how much they've made by now, but I'm assuming it's a lot of money, right? And that's a very clear indication that this stuff is real. All right, people are paying for these products, and if it was something illegal, something that's purely a scam, then there's no way governments will allow this company to get to billions in revenue, right? That would have got shut down a long time ago. So this data that we have here allows us to have a lot more confidence that this is a legit thing. All right, now don't get me wrong, when you're using Clickbank, when you're looking through products, decide, you have free roam of what products you decide to run. And I'm not gonna lie to you, some products on Clickbank, I have to look at them twice and be like, whoa, this looks interesting, in a strange way. But the main thing is that as affiliates, we can look through these products on Clickbank and we can make our own decision in terms of, this is the product I want to run. I don't want to run this product, right? So you have free roam in choosing what type of products you run on Clickbank as well. But the main thing here is that Clickbank is very much real. So during the 10 years, 1998 to 2008, Clickbank paid 1 billion in total revenue to affiliate marketers and product vendors. Total revenue doubled during the next 3 years, reaching 2 billion. Today, an average of more than 30,000 transactions are completed daily via the Clickbank marketplace, which reaches more than 190 countries worldwide. And if you just go into Clickbank, you're just looking through some offers, you're like, okay, great, this looks interesting. You don't really get the vibe that people are making such big numbers. But I can tell you now, a lot of money is made from Clickbank. These offers actually do convert really well, considering that they are CPS, so cost per sale offers, where people are getting their credit cards out and paying for fairly big items. Seeing some upsells go up to $200 or more on single products. So excuse me. So the main thing here is Clickbank is very real. You can make a lot of money on here, and you shouldn't be too worried at all about, is this a dodgy site? Is it fine running traffic with them? Clickbank have a a full-on headquarters in the US. They have a full team. They have an Instagram account which they started to be active on as well. So these are all bits of data and bits of like social proof that you can use before you decide to run a Clickbank. But I can let you know from our experience that we get paid on time. There's no issues with like Clickbank payments or anything like that. You know, because there are some affiliate networks that are very much dodgy, and I would say Clickbank is not one of them. Clickbank are one of the first affiliate networks. Out of all the affiliate networks that you know, they're one of the first in terms of like the CPA type network. And, you know, like they focus on digital products, and all the new networks that you're working with right now, I'm not going to name up any networks in this video, but a lot of the networks that you know right now, Clickbank was there before them. All right, so Clickbank is almost like the granddaddy network, and they're doing really well, and they've mastered the craft of getting good advertisers on board, and these advertisers have mastered the craft of converting the traffic that's sent to the offer pages, which is exactly what we want, right? So this site doesn't really give much information. It's got some information in terms of like estimated employees, but yeah, this data is a bit vague. So let's have a look at Wikipedia. So Clickbank is an affiliate marketing program. Clickbank was founded in 1998 and is privately held. The company has more than 6 million clients worldwide, which secured it in becoming the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. So Clickbank is in the top 100 companies in the whole of North America, which is insane. So Clickbank was founded in San Diego, California in 1998 by Tim and Eileen Barber. In 2011, the site had attracted over 1.5 million affiliate marketers, approximately 100,000 of whom were designated as active at any given time. So every month, a lot of these, any site does like a activity score. So based on Clickbank, around 100,000 affiliates are probably active every month. So 100,000 affiliates are sending traffic every single month to Clickbank offers, which is incredible. Your average network that, I'm not going to name up again, but your average network that you know that you run it right now is probably maxing out at like maybe 10,000. And that's run a very good month, okay? In terms of active affiliates. So for them to be having 100,000 active affiliates is crazy. But yeah, so what else do we see here? Clickbank is an e-commerce platform, digital goods and services between digital content creators and affiliate marketers who then promote them to consumers. Clickbank works as an affiliate network that assists vendors in building visibility and revenue generating opportunities. In 2011, it offered over 46,000 individual products to affiliate marketers and provided services in over 200 countries. So in 2011, Revenue Magazine named the company as a top affiliate network in the United States. In 2016, Clickbank secured its place as a top 100 internet retailer, as named by Internet Retailer Magazine. All right, so yeah, so if this doesn't provide enough information around Clickbank and what they've become, let's have a look at Instagram. Let's take a look. So I don't think I can click on that, but you go and click the Clickbank's Instagram account, 10,000 followers, and they are very, very much active. Obviously, if I start clicking, so it's going to say log in, so I'm not going to log in. But yeah, so they are very, very active. As you can see here, they're posting stuff. So this stuff is real. So when you're seeing like numerology, there's a team in an office that are like getting these offers set up. There's actually people behind the company. I remember when I first started with Clickbank, I thought that, a lot of these offers, they looked a bit different, right? Who would convert on these offers? And as I started to learn more and I started to actually get more invested, watch the VSLs and understand the process, a lot of these offers do really well because they get into the psychology behind the people with the problems that the offers are solving. I would say 90% of the good offers on Clickbank are solving real problems. whether it's a health related problem, whether it's around the kids, whether it's around people's crafts, whatever it might be, making money. They're solving real problems that hit big pain points, and that's perfect for us as affiliate marketers because our angles can be generated around real pain points. We don't have to make shit up. Like, these are real, problem solving products. So, when you get into it and you start actually investing in the process, you start, not just like looking through the Clickbank search. You use things like CB Engine. You actually go into the VSLs. You watch the whole VSL, the videos on the Clickbank offer landers, and you get fully invested in the process. You get a lot more of an understanding of why these offers are doing really well, all right, and why Clickbank is making so many affiliates millionaires, all right. And the main thing of Clickbank is Clickbank, I would say, they are very much a newbie friendly network, in the sense that no matter who you are as an affiliate, you can make some money on Clickbank, all right. You can. I don't really see any reason why anybody can't get started with Clickbank, because the offers, they always have like some kind of like tripwire, some kind of call to action that drives people to convert at a very low rate. If you've done the selling properly and you've got some good level of experience with selling through your adverts and the ads that you create, then most likely the traffic that you generate will be moving towards the upsell flows, whereby on average, your average order value from your Clickbank campaign is going to be higher than the other affiliates, all right? So when I look at Clickbank offers and I see, people running offers and on the dashboard, it says something like, I don't know, let me show you here. Let me show you. So like, let's say this offer, right? It says $37 average sale, okay? But I would make sure that my offer average sale would be like $70, because the way that I run my offers is different to most of the people running these offers, in the sense that I make sure that the traffic is sold as much as possible before they even get to the VSL. All right, the VSL can hook them on getting their card out. However, my ads and the way that I've done my flow ensures that when they do get their card out, they're willing to spend as much as possible, which obviously increase my average order value, which means I can pay for more for traffic. Therefore, I can dominate, a lot of the offers that I'm running my Clickbank campaigns for. Whereas the affiliates are just, trying to generate sales here and there and not really thinking about the full end-to-end process and how to market properly, how to really hit pain points. You're just going to be getting maybe this amount, right? So the main thing with Clickbank is that there's a lot of room, a lot more room than you think when it comes to making money off these offers. So let's have a look at this particular offer. It may not show it, but typically after these VSLs, you'd see like a way to pay or something. It usually takes a while for it to show up, but this looks like a long lander. So yeah, so add to cart. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, so this is like an initial. This is like the cost of the product for this one, right? So a lot of other products on Clickbank will have options. So we'll have like pay for this, or you can buy 2 of these products for this discount, or you can get 3 of these products for this discount. And because there's a discount associated to getting more, if the person is sold enough, then they're going to be like, wait, I know I love this product already, why would I not get more so I save money? So they start thinking that them getting more is actually saving them money, but in reality, them getting more is obviously paying us as affiliates more money. So, when you're running offers on Clickbank, it's important for you to know that as well. But all in all, Clickbank, there's enough evidence online to indicate that Clickbank is a real active network. You can just even if you just go on YouTube and just search Clickbank, there's so many affiliates that are proving that this is a real network, proving that this is definitely not a scam. All of the advertisers that are on Clickbank have to go through a vendor vetting process as well. You can't just put a random offer on Clickbank. It doesn't work like that. So even if an offer does look a bit strange and you're like, wait, who would pay for this? There has been a vetting process to make sure the offer is, legitimate according to Clickbank's regulations. So I wouldn't worry at all about picking any offer inside of Clickbank. Obviously, you want to pick the offers that will convert best for your traffic, but besides that, there wouldn't be any inkling for me to be worried about, you know, this offer isn't going to do well because it's a scam, or this offer is dodgy. Don't get me wrong. There are times where certain traffic sources may get a disliking towards a particular Clickbank offer, all right? Now, that disliking isn't actually towards the offer. The disliking, let's say it's Facebook, they ban one particular offer. Like every time you run an offer, even if your ads are white hat in terms of how you run the ads, and the copy is white hat in terms of like Lander or whatever, but your flow includes the word of the offer, right? And Facebook has flagged that keyword because it's associated with so many black hat ads. The reason why Facebook is banning that offer isn't the offer, it's because affiliates have decided to run those offers in scammy ways, all right? Facebook is all about, you know, good user experience. So where they see a trend across, you know, spammy type of ads, and they obviously clock onto the fact that all of these spammy ads, or 90% of these spammy ads are utilizing this keyword, or maybe it's the offer name, then they will flag that keyword because they obviously think that, well, the algorithm will think that it's the same person doing it every time. So that's besides that, it's not the offers that are being flagged. So it's very important. So I wouldn't worry about, you know, Clickbank offers are too shit to run on Facebook. No, they're actually fine, and you can run on Facebook successfully. You just need to know how to run, okay? Because, you know, you can make a lot of money with Facebook traffic utilizing Clickbank offers. And the biggest benefit of Facebook, for example, is that, you know, you can leverage the pixel. The pixel builds up purchase data, and you can utilize that for your campaigns. On the other hand, native ads is again a very, very good traffic source for Clickbank, mainly because of the scalability of native. Like, you can scale to the moon once you have like your winning flow. All right, in terms of like how much spend you can increase to within 24 hours, you can go from like $100 to $10,000 if you really wanted to with native campaigns. So you can really make a lot of money very quickly. And again, both traffic sources have their pros and cons, but both do really, really well when it comes to Clickbank offers. All right, so yeah, that pretty much is it. Like, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button. You know, if you want to, you know, get more involved with Clickbank or just affiliate marketing in general, then make sure you check out the link in the description below to access a free training where we go into much more detail in terms of like how you can run affiliate offers, what type of offers you should be running, and some of the secrets that helped us on our journey with building out our successful campaigns. So again, smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, drop a comment below something that you want me to put in my next video, and I'll see you soon.